What it is, ho? What's up? How you doing, everybody? Is everybody good out there? I hope you're doing okay. Stuff for the week is as follows. What we have here is a Smithsonian data overhaul, which is going through the whole entire thing from record 0 to, I don't know, 12 million or something like that. I started actually working on the user interface for the Smithsonian Museum, and, well, I came across this issue where I had missing information, so I have to get the rest of it now. It's been running for 3 days or something like that, maybe even 4. And all the while, as you can see, I also have file extraction in the process, which has completed today, but that ran for about 2 days or so. And that's for the European API. It is a cultural heritage data set, which is marvelous. It's just like the Smithsonian, except even larger. And that will be the job that we will be working on after we complete the Smithsonian. A search engine for cultural heritage beyond the arts and stuff like that is quite nice to have, isn't it? Categorization for this thing is going to be an absolute nightmare. 60 million records that needs to be pruned for usability. It's going to take a while, but it's going to be worth it. Through our phones and our computers, we should have a better way to connect with the outside world in some shape or form, and this is one way to do it. So yes, these are the 2 big jobs that are currently a work in progress. So let's check on some other things, right? What else did I do? What did I complete that I can actually show you? Oh, whoa, hold on. All right, so we have 3 works in progress right now. In terms of insertion and data acquisition, we have the Gunpla Wiki Data Importer. And do you know what Gunpla is? It's Gundam Plastic Model Kits. And what this collection will be is a history of all Gundam model kits. It's going to have a wealth of information for each kit, the pricing, the original MSRP, and a bunch of stock images, as well as, cover art. It's going to be complete and beautiful to look at. And since this process is clogging my computer and I can't do anything on the website right now because I have both my worker thing going for the Smithsonian and I have this importer going, I can't do anything right now. So let's get into the artwork. Fuck yeah! You think we're messing around here? You think we're not going to kill people? That's actually all we're going to be doing most of the time is kill people. I reverted Kill back to his original costume, which is just a basic karate ninja suit. Makes him relatively easy to draw consistently over and over again without pulling your hair out. The style is like a black and white manga print, of course. Ink with tonal patterns. I use 2 programs to get this to work. I use Krita to do the sketches and the inking, and then I transfer it over to Clip Studio Paint so that I can wrap it up with all of the tonal patterns. I try to keep it relatively clean. All of the pattern work goes into the background while the characters are just strictly ink, and that's it. The format is half page, half of an 8.5 by 11 sheet, because that will be the format in which I will do my bootlegs. My bootleg prints of books are going to be 8.5 by 11 sheets folded in half and then glued together. It's going to be a long-running format. I'm just going to keep on drawing pictures of the scale over and over again at 600 dpi so they can actually be printed larger than half page. And if I need any images larger or smaller, I'll just make them bigger or smaller, but this is going to be the default scale. On the regular Normal Michael website, it's going to host all of these kill pages in a continuous format so that I can just upload to them whenever I finish a page. A brand new website is in order. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. Right now, I'm still concentrating heavily on the Library of the Universe. So I just might prototype this thing as soon as I get enough pages done. But in the meantime, what I have to do is I have to complete more pages. I have 3 done. I can't show you the other 2 because of, YouTube terms of service does not permit me to show cocks, pussies, tits, and also dick sucking and all that fun stuff, so I can't show you those 2 pictures. So I'm gonna have to do some more drawings and show you some other ones at another time. And I draw these pictures whenever I find pockets of time where I'm not just completely occupied with the library. I want to finish enough pages, like 15 to 20, so that I'll have a nice bundle of pieces to print into a book. So I can hand it over to Antonio's shop and have a bunch of bootleg books just hanging out on his shelves, which will be pretty damn fun to see. Due to the extreme violence and sexual conduct, these images are no longer family friendly, but they're still fun. Let's let people in on the fun. We need people to purchase these books. You buy the book. Buy! Support on Patreon to see more library progress and launch the library for all of us to use, and to see more artwork so we can print more book and sell more book. Support Patreon Regular Normal Michael, so we launch Regular Normal Michael's site too, and have Kill Comics and music of wild repute on playlists for you to listen to. So show us support at Patreon. Starting at $10 a month, you get all of these updates. You get the library coming your way. You get random bursts of music out of nowhere. You get Kill Comics. And you get the shout-outs on these videos, of course, for our 2 Cosmic members, Antonio Grajales and Ron B. Thank you for being patrons and supporters of the Cosmos. My apologies for making the visual aspect of these videos a little bit bootleg, but I have things to do. I would rather draw pictures and be on the task rather than trying to impress you with visuals, when what we're trying to do here is just explain what's happening in the world of Regular Normal Michael and Library of the Universe. Let's see what we can complete before our next update. I think this will be it. I will see you in the next one, everyone. Thank you for listening.